Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix DX12 error 0x887A0006 in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. So here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Fix 1 is to update your graphic card driver. So if you are a NVIDIA user, then you can update the graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. If you are a AMD user, then you can update your graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users, open the NVIDIA app, go to driver sections, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it, and after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Similarly, AMD users can open the AMD Adrenal software and look for the graphic card driver update, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 2, enable hardware accelerated GPU schedulings. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open the graphics settings. Here you will see advanced graphics settings option, just expand it, and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If it is turned off, then you have to turn it on, and then just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 3, remove Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game from the AMD Adrenal software and perform AMD Adrenal factory reset, and then launch the game and check. So open the AMD Adrenal software, go to gaming, and in the list find the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game, and then remove it. And after removing it, click on this gear icon, and then here you will see the factory reset option. Now please take a note, performing a factory reset will reset all settings and profiles in Radeon software back to default. So if you agree, only then perform factory reset, and after performing the factory reset, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4, now this fix is from the one AMD users. So here follow the steps. First, you go to documents, Assassin's Black Flag Resynced folder, and then delete the cache folder. So open File Explorer. On the left, click on Documents. Here you will see the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game folder. Open it, and then right click the cache folder and then delete it. Second, you need to underclock the GPU in the AMD app Adrenal software. Go to Performance Tuning. Now enable the GPU tuning if it's disabled. Then enable advanced control, put the max frequency to 2500, but it depends on your GPU. Mine is RX 76008GB, and then save it, and then restart the PC, and then launch the game and check. This works for me. After that, you can also try to underclock a little your GPU. Mine for default was in 2800 MHz. Another optional thing that you should do is to on the Radeon chill if you don't mind to play the game in 60 Hz. For me, the problem was solved. Hope it helps you too. So this solution is from one of the AMD users. So you can perform this fix and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to install DirectX and user Runtime web installer. So go to this website. This is a Microsoft official website, and once you're on this Microsoft website, click on this download button, and once it is downloaded, then you have to run the dxwebsetup.exe file and then install it. And after installing it, just restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve DX12 error 0x887A0006 in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.